3:55. 3:55. The wind is picking up. We have been on and off gusts. Rain. It's raining, but again, it's come sporadically. Rain heavily, and then it slowed down, and then the wind picked up, and then it down, slowed down, and then another gust came through. So far, knock on wood. It's still early yet. Still early. I mean, the last time I heard from due to about the tracking of the hurricane Milton is that it still is around 200 plus miles away from the Tampa Bay area. So we're getting wind now and getting rain now, but it's not too bad so far. Nothing worse.